Hi everybody, my name is Roy Sanguinetti. I had a brand new garage door put in by Matt from San Jose. He's a great garage doorman. He did my door in less than 3 hours.
Good.
Beautiful job. I recommend him to everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wow.
New torsion system just got installed.
You're the best.